there humans, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me over on this side of the YouTube. For those of you that are new to my channel, hi, I'm Becky. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video and I hope you guys stick around. So in today's video I am going to be doing a hair tutorial for you guys. This one I'm really excited about. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then continue watching. I just want to say a huge thank you to you guys that have been like watching. Some of you that have been following me so far, some of you that have been following me so far would know that I've just been starting up this YouTube. Like, I had a YouTube for like years and I just haven't been YouTubing, but I want to just thank you so much for joining, for watching, and for subscribing. And those of you that are new, like have just found me, or you know, those of you that are like new here, I see you and I thank you so much. I said in one of my previous videos that I wanted to make it to like 100 subscribers. So it may sound trivial to some people, but like any milestone, any significant number, 50s, 100s, it's an achievement. It's an achievement, and I just want to thank you anyway to those that are subscribed to my channel. I hope to kind of continue on this journey, as I've said before, and I want you guys to come along with me because it's actually fun over this side. Like, it's fun over here, it's positive over here, it's the actual community over here, it's safe over here. I want to make this a safe space and a safe place. So let's get talking. I would love to interact with you guys a bit more. Comment down below, just tell me anything, just tell me anything, like just tell me how's your day, or it doesn't matter kind of thing. But yeah, anyway, thanks, just thanks, oh thanks. Virtual hug. Guys, this is the Ash Blonde in 16 inch. It's also got the 1B roots, and it's a 13x4 cap. I am in love with it. I didn't think I was gonna love it as much as I do now, but I've fallen for you. I've fallen for you. Yeah, so I got it from this company called Her Culture Hair. She's on the Instagram. She does amazing wigs, amazing. She's really good. And I will leave all her information here. Go and follow her on Instagram. Go and tell her I sent you and stuff like that. But yeah, her wigs are amazing. Her wigs are, look at this. Like, are you kidding? Look at this. Are you joking? This is, are you joking? This is me, bad. Yeah, it's lovely. Before we get started with the video, guys, don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button, and comment down below. Okay then humans, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like button, click that subscribe button and comment down below. And I will see you in another video. I will now leave you with some slow-mos. Bye!